Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing and stopping activity. This reduces corruption risk. First, back up all user databases and export logins and jobs so you can restore them later. Once done, sign in with an administrator account and stop SQL Server services, SQL Server, SQL Agent, and SQL Browser using services, MSC or netstop commands. Make sure dependent applications are shut down and disable scheduled jobs. This ensures the uninstaller can remove files cleanly and prevents locked resources during the next steps. You now run the removal sequence. Open Control Panel, right arrow Programs and Features, select Microsoft SQL Server 2017 and click Remove. The SQL Server Installation Center will launch. Next, pick the specific instance and deselect features to remove, database engine, reporting services, integration services, and shared components as needed, because these choices control which binaries are uninstalled. Follow the wizard prompts, accept default removal options for related features, and wait until it completes. Then manually delete leftover program and data. Finish by cleaning remnants and verifying system state. After uninstall, reboot the machine to release locks and ensure SQL services no longer appear. If you plan to reinstall, remove registry entries and instance GUID only when you are comfortable editing the registry. This prevents false instance detections. Make sure to remove SQL folders and orphan service entries. If something goes wrong, check the Setup Bootstrap log folder for errors to see which component failed, and then rerun the uninstall or use Microsoft Fix It type tools to clear installer issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.